In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn a .mov file into an MP4 file. This is going to be for free and it's very easy to do. So just go to your Google and look up .mov to MP4. Then it'll go right here. What you want to do is click Adobe. Once you get right here, it says switch up the file format of your video with the fast and free MOV to MP4 video converter from Adobe Express. This is 100% for free and no credit card is required, so just click upload your video. Once you are here, you are going to want to convert it into MP4. So I've got this file right here, so I'm just going to drag it and drop it into here. The file size can be 1 GB and then it will say upload media, so just wait for it to be done. There it is. Now we can just click download. It will then export your file. Then it will say your download is complete and you'll see it downloading at the top right. Then if I drag it to my desktop, you can see that this is literally the exact same file, but it is .mp4. So that is how you do it, but you can also do it with Cloud Converter or Free Convert. I just find Adobe the easiest. Subscribe.